Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick motivational cleaning video, and I'm going to start by switching over my handbag to this new Steve Madden bag I got. I got this on clearance at Marshall's because mine was literally hanging on by a thread, and this one was only $25, originally $58. And I really liked my old one. It had a lot of storage and pockets, which I prefer, and the compartments and all that, but it had just fallen apart and it had only been a couple of months. We were going out of town, and so I really needed to get a new purse before we left. So I just got this woven crossbody bag, and I do prefer crossbodies just because it's easier than having to keep like a large tote on my shoulder with my kids or in the grocery store lifting things, and it just gets in the way, I find. So I'm just gonna move things over, and I'll take out my NYX lip lingerie stash and put it in my makeup case upstairs. But that is my favorite liquid lipstick. If you haven't tried it yet, that line, you have to give it a try. But my purse wasn't too unorganized because since it's so small, I have to clean it out often, and I'm just gonna put everything in my new one. And now this one's all set and has plenty of room for both my phones and anything extra I need to haul around. Next, I'm moving up into my bedroom to take the sheets off of my bed to be washed, and I'll come back up here later to put new ones on. But I wanted to take a quick minute just to introduce myself. If you don't know me, my name is Carrie, and I'm married to my best friend Brandon. We've been together for 13 years this week, and we have 2 kids. Our son is 8 and our daughter is 6. And when I was her age, I used to tell my mom that I wanted to be a maid when I grew up, which I got a lot of teasing from my siblings and my family, and still do sometimes, that I would say that. But it's just because I remember we'd go on vacation and we used to stay at the Marriott, and they used to leave like little chocolates on your pillow. So I remember coming back and it would make me so happy. Our room was clean, bed's made, my chocolates on my pillow. And so I think I just remember like how much joy it brought me, and I know how much a clean and tidy space can just bring you peace and let you focus on other things instead of a mess or a long to-do list. And so I just like doing that for my family and for my space. And I started making cleaning videos because I know it's not always easy to get up and start cleaning. And a lot of the time, to pass the time or distract me, I put on other cleaning channels. And I just like to listen or watch. It just helps me not pay attention to exactly the task at hand. My mind is kind of somewhere else. I don't know if that's a good thing, but if you're new, you're not gonna find a Pinterest perfect house here. I'm just a regular mom trying to keep it all together, and at this point in the day, it was already past 3, and I'm barely changing my sheets and washing the dishes. And actually within 24 hours, my house was already needing to be cleaned again. So you're not alone if you feel like it's a constant battle to keep things clean and tidy. You don't have to be perfect. It's She's in her apron. Sometimes I watch her channel and I know she says progress over perfection. I totally agree with that. And then actually the next day, like I said, I had so much cleaning to do again that I filmed that as well. And I have a whole other longer video for you to be coming out soon, hopefully. I don't like to put myself on a schedule for posting because I do have a full-time job. And it's kind of like cyclical because I'll be like not busy for a couple weeks, and then I'll be busy for like really busy for a couple weeks. So I don't like to put myself on a schedule or put that stress on myself. And so I try and post as much as I can, and I hope that you'll subscribe and join my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to real quick share a few other things I got at Marshall's while I was there. I got this YK10 vitamin C face serum, and I've used this one so far and I really liked it. And then I got this retinol overnight serum, and this one is not like a typical serum that soaks in your face and dries. It's highly moisturizing and it's almost like putting straight up coconut oil on your face. But I do have extremely dry skin, so even though it's quite greasy, I do like it, and it had pretty good reviews online as well. And lastly, I got this collagen night cream, again because I'm super dry, but it smells very good. I love it so far. Last thing I have time for today is to clean my downstairs bathroom, and at this point we had already put the kids to bed, so it was already 8 or 9 o'clock. And actually this is pretty realistic to how I always clean throughout the week because I'm so busy throughout the day that I do a lot of my cleaning at night. So that's why my videos don't ever have the best lighting. I picked up this scrub-free bathroom cleaner, which I've never used before, but it worked very well. You just spray it and let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes and then wipe it away with no need to put too much elbow grease into it. And we have this fiberglass tub and shower surround, which stays pretty clean and cleans easily, but our house is a work in progress, so eventually we will completely renovate this bathroom and we'll probably put tile or stone in. And then I'm just going to clean the vanity and the cabinet, wipe down surfaces and the mirror, and I did clean the toilet as well. But that's all for today. So I hope you guys got some quick cleaning motivation, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!